Tiger Lady. Many women all over the world face violence while walking on the street, and often police departments don't take the problem seriously. To protect themselves, many women have started carrying self-defense tools like the Tiger Lady. The Tiger Lady is a small device that you can carry in your hand. It has spaces for your fingers, and when you need to defend yourself, all you have to do is make a fist, and the device will reveal a set of claws you can use to beat anyone, man or woman. With the Tiger Lady, you can become a real-life Wolverine. Lifelight. The Lifelight is a non-lethal weapon that is perfect for self-defense. It is a combination of different self-defense techniques that makes it unique. It has a strong laser and flashlight that can be used for other purposes. If you are ever in trouble, you can use this weapon to shoot out little pots filled with pepper irritants. These pots will explode when they hit something and create a cloud of smoke. This will knock out any threat in a matter of seconds. The Lifelight can hold up to 5 pods at once. You don't need any special training or a license to use this weapon. Just aim and fire. Bolo Wrap. The Bolo Wrap is a self-defense tool that was made to make police contact and restraint less deadly and violent while being much more effective. How does this thing work then? It shoots a powerful 0.38 partial charge blank that powers an 8-foot Kevlar tether at 513 feet per second. This can be used to tie up a suspect's arms and legs at the same time, saving the suspect's life and keeping him or her from getting hurt. It also makes it easier for the police officer to hold down a suspect who won't cooperate without having to use any kind of deadly force. At a time when police are always being watched, this gun could change how suspects are caught.